Hello, welcome to our school YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the subatomic particles. What is an atom? The atom is the smallest unit of matter that is composed of subatomic particles. Exactly. Now, what are these subatomic particles? The subatomic particles are the electrons, the neutrons, and the protons. Are you getting that? The atom is made up of two major parts, the electron cloud and the nucleus. The electron cloud is where you find the electrons. Exactly. Now, the nucleus is the home of protons and neutrons. Now, let's talk about these subatomic particles one after the other. First, the protons. We will assume them to be positive, bold, and strong creatures with a positive attitude. So we can say protons have positive charges. Also, protons never leave their comfortable homes, which is the nucleus or center of the atom. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is what we call proton number. This proton number can also be called atomic number. Exactly. They determine the identity of an element. Are you following me now? Example: hydrogen has one proton. Helium has two protons. Remember we said proton number is the same as what now? Atomic number. You remember that, right? Therefore, carbon has 6 protons and its atomic number is 6. Do you get that? Oxygen has 8 protons, so its atomic number will be what? 8, right? Next is neutron. Now, for neutrons, we will assume them to be calm, neutral creatures with no charge. So neutrons have no charge. They are neutral. They have no charge. Exactly. Next is the neutron number. Neutron number is the number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. The formula of neutron number is mass number minus proton number. Exactly. Let's take an example. A nucleus has 12 protons and a mass number of 24. What is the neutron number? Exactly. So we have 24 as a mass number and then we have 12 as a proton number. So we'll bring our formula, which is what? Mass number minus proton number. So we'll now have 24 minus 12. So our neutron number now will now be equal to what now? 12. Exactly. The last subatomic particle is the electron. So we will assume electrons to be the tiny energetic creatures with a negative charge that move around the nucleus in imaginary orbits. In a neutral atom, electrons are equal to protons in number. Exactly. But when an electron joins or leaves an atom, they form an ion, which is also called charged element. Exactly. Next is electron number. It is the number of electrons in an atom. Exactly. Now, let's take sodium as an example. In a neutral sodium, number of electrons equals number of protons. Exactly. So it means that if we have 11 protons, because the number of electrons is equal to number of protons, so it means that we also have 11 electrons here. Exactly. So number of electrons equal to number of protons in neutral atoms. Exactly. Now for sodium ion, which is Na+, you have to use a formula, which is the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons minus the charge. This is when it is an ion. You have to use it. Number of electrons is equal to number of protons minus charge. Exactly. Now, looking at sodium ion, we have the number of proton is a constant K already. The number of proton for sodium is 11. The number of proton is 11, and then the charge here is +1. So we'll use it in our formula, which is number of electrons is equal to number of protons minus charge. So we'll now have it to be 11 minus the charge, which is +1. Do you get? So our answer will now be 11 minus 1, which is now equal to 10. Now let's take one more example. Chlorine. For neutral chlorine, number of electrons equal to number of protons. Remember we said that for neutral elements, number of electrons equal to number of protons. Remember, the number of protons for chlorine is 17. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So it means the proton number is also 17. So it means that because it is a neutral atom, is a neutral element, so it therefore means that the number of electrons will also be what? 17, because number of electrons is equal to what? Number of proton for neutral chlorine. Exactly. Now for chloride ion, which is Cl minus, number of electron equals number of protons minus charge. We gave this formula before, right? Number of electrons equal number of protons minus charge. So we have 17 protons and -1 charge. Do you get that? Therefore, number of electrons equal 17 minus -1 because of the minus charge it has, which is 17 minus times minus in mass becomes plus. Exactly. Therefore, we now have 17 plus 1 equal to 18. Do you get that? So our number of electron is equal to what now? 18. Do you get that? Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos like this.